Hey, did you know that nowadays everyone is hyping about builder floors, but not every builder floor is worth the hype unless it's in Malibu Town, Sector 47 Gurgaon. Yes, we are inside a 200-acre gated township with 40% greenery, wide internal roads, and 3 entry exits point. And yes, it's right next to Park Hospital, Good Earth Mall, and Sona Road. So yes, hi everyone, I'm Soumya Srivastava. Welcome to Anahita Homes, and now let's quickly cover the location because location actually matters. So this project is just 5 minutes away from SPR, 5 minutes away from Golf Course Extension Road, and only 5 minutes away from NH48. 20 to 25 minutes away from IGI Airport and only 20 minutes away from Cyber Hub.
और इस गेटेड टाउनशिप में मैं आपको लेकर आ गया हूँ ये 571 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के स्टेल प्लस 4 बिल्डर फ्लोर में, जिसपे 4500 स्क्वायर फीट्स का आपको लिवेबल स्पेस मिलता है. कम लेट्स हैव अ विजिट. तो चलिए देखते हैं आपको इस फ्लोर के साथ क्या क्या अमेनिटीज मिलती है. ये मैसिव स्टिल्ट एरिया विद 3 कवर्ड कार पार्किंग्स फॉर ईच फ्लोर्स, और इसके दूसरी तरफ आपको मिलती है 4th फ्लोर की एक सेपरेट कार पार्किंग्स. आइए देखते हैं. ये आपकी सेपरेट कार पार्किंग है फॉर द 4th फ्लोर विद रूफ राइट. तो अब आप लोगों को लेकर चलते हैं इसके लिफ्ट एरिया पे. हियर कम्स योर वेटिंग एरिया एंड हियर कम्स अ लिफ्ट. कम लेट्स सी आवर फर्स्ट फ्लोर.
So welcome to the first floor, and now let's see what more we have got here. So on the right side we have our family lounge, and here we have got a massive dining and living area. And now let's move to the kitchen. So here is a sleek modular kitchen, and you can see the finishes. It comes with collar and Jaguar fittings, and all the marbles you see here are Italian marbles. So yeah, this is something really nice. Also get chimney and hobs, and now let me show you the cabinets. They are so spacious. See? And now let's move to the balcony. So this is a running balcony which connects you to the living room and to the kitchen as well. So yeah, this is massive, spacious, and it's perfect for your morning time. So now we are here at the washroom of this builder floor, and first of all, I love this mirror. It's so spacious, and you can also see the finishes, and yeah, don't forget to say this. Something really luxurious, right? And all these fittings you see here, they all are, collar fittings, Italian marble at the same time. So what else do you want? So if you're someone who is into spirituality, I have something really special for you all. This is a dedicated area, so you can use this space as a puja ghar, or if you're someone who loves reading book, you can use this dedicated space as a library at the same time. And yes, there's also one point, you can use it as a bar and a mini office too. And now let's move to the first bedroom. Welcome to the first bedroom of this builder floor. Quite spacious. I love the design. I love this layout. So premium. And now let me take you here. This is a good storage, a closet. And yes, again, don't forget to notice the lightnings. These are so beautiful. And now let me take you to the washroom. So this washroom actually feels so premium, right? So here you get, all the Jaguar fittings and premium tiles and automatic sensor too. Welcome to the second bedroom. One thing I forgot to tell you all, that this builder floor is VRV air conditioned. So you can see there. And now let's move to the washroom. This is our closet. got something really special to tell you all. So here in this balcony, you get a dedicated mini forest area, which is a home to so many peacocks and birds at the same time. So just imagine you are waking up in the morning with a cup of coffee or tea in your hand, and you are just enjoying a wonderful morning with your family. Isn't that amazing? And now let's move to the next room. So yes, it's massive, it's beautiful, it's spacious, and here is our washroom. Jaguar fittings, premium tiles, and automatic sensor. And this is again a balcony. Forward and see the last and fourth bedroom, which is the guest room. Welcome to the last fourth bedroom, which can also be used as a guest room, and you can see all the layouts. It looks so premium and so luxurious. And now let me take you to the washroom. So here you get huge storage, and this is a washroom. And yes, if you are a greenery lover, you have to get your hands on the fourth floor, because this dedicated spacious green garden terrace is only for the fourth floor, and you can see how huge it is. So if you want to know more details about this location, this great project, you have to call us right now on the number given below, because Anahita Homes always gives you and brings the best deals and offers for you.